Well, I'm James Lee. Everybody know me around here as Jimmy Lee. You gonna make me strain my brain today? You're gonna make me blush, and I got a dark tan. After Jimmy Lee, they broke the mold. They didn't make no more. They said, we don't need no more him running around here, and that was it. I'm a dry kiln operator out here off the loft yard. I've been working here since 2013, so I've been here a minute. Everybody can learn, because you never stop learning. There's so many upgrades and so much technology. From the time I started to now, I have seen buildings added, new faces, old faces that come back. You never know, it's day to day. Like I said, learning is a key part in anything. Right here at home, you don't have to worry about traveling or driving 2 or 3 hours. And man, who would want to work somewhere without a cafeteria and a gym? Yeah, you ain't got to run uptown to McDonald's. You can just run right around the front and get something to eat. Outside of work, I'm a business owner myself. I'm the assistant chief of Ashland Fire Department, and I am an outdoors person. If I can be outside, it's like a duck in water. You know, happy to be there. It's been a family-owned business, and working with such a group of great people, it gives you the inspiration to come to work every day, like being at home. I think what we need to do, we just need to get Mr. Paul's truck or get a flatbed and get me on the back up with a loudspeaker and just come through town. You know, they get everybody looking. Right. You got to have a spokesperson for everything.
Right. Yep.